Hi everyone, I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to connect your Signia hearing aids to your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your hearing aids are turned on. For rechargeable, you're going to want to hold down the button for about 3 seconds, and then for battery doors, you're going to want to shut the battery door with the battery in it. Next, you're going to go to your settings app and you're going to open that, and then you're going to scroll until you see accessibility, and then you're going to want to click on that, and then scroll again until you see hearing devices, and then we'll click on that. It will say searching, and then it found the Signia hearing aid, so we're going to click the little box right there, and it'll bring up the pairing. So you're going to pair once for the left ear, again for the right hearing aid. And now your hearing aids are connected to your iPhone.